Trending Nail Art Collab. This will be my first time with XXLs. This collab is hosted by Love by Verdie Nails, and this is a monthly members collab. The other participants in this collab is the lovely Sade of Addicted to Pink Nails. She has her new website, Eden's Rose, where you can get designer nail foils, new acrylics, and I love her dampen dish. I use it in many of my videos. Next, there is the sweet Ebony of Ebony Nails. She has a new website, Ebony Plush Creations, where she has glitters, foils, she does press-on nails, and my favorite glitter acrylic that you just saw me do in her nail haul. The beautiful Verdie of Love by Verdie Nails is our host, and her website is lovebyverdie.com. She initially started with cuticle oils and butters, but she's added so much more since I first purchased. If you're into having long nails, her nail helpers just might interest you. Also me, guys, where NailTubers can come weekly and enjoy my series called Bougie Nails on a Budget. I also just started doing regular acrylics on Thursdays, and there's so many other random and fun things. A big reason that I chose to do XXLs is because my nail sister, Renee, Love Chunk 71, requested to see me do a set in XXL. So here we go, guys. Let's get started. For this set, I'm using iGel Beauty 2-in-1 powders in clear, glistening, which I ended up not liking. You'll see. Caribbean Sea. I have my size 8 Sophia Kolinsky brush, and I'm also using this glitter called Hot Chocolate by Charlie's Nail Art. Always be sure to stir your powders before each use. Instead of the nails that came with Miko, my practice hand, I chose these clear ones from a local beauty supply store and cut them down. Hey everyone! Hey NailTubers! So while I'm briefly showing you the prep process, and I'm only showing 3 fingers for each step, and typically you would have dehydrator on at this point. I chose to do XXL acrylic nails, for one thing because I've never done them before. This length, that is. And then primarily I feel like XXL has been the biggest going trend. Now, as much as I love them, I can't function with them like this. But Miko was hyped to get her nails done since she just got here. This is, I think, the 4th nail collab I've joined with Verdie, and also the other ladies that are a part of it, so we become very familiar with each other. In fact, it's not unusual for us to end up in a chat away from YouTube and share some conversation and much laughter. I'm going to be going in with clear. And oh, did I mention this is my first time working with Miko? There are a couple of observations with this being my first time using this practice hand. One of the first things is I wish they had some type of clamping system or some type of a way to secure the nail tip that you place on the nail bed, because it just kept moving around. The hand itself is already of a softer silicone, so it took some getting used to. This nail is going to be all clear and blinged out with stones, so I'm simply adding more clear so that it will have equal layers with the rest of the nails. And this one is where I decided to challenge myself. I wanted to try color blocking, and I really like the way this turned out. I'll move on to the next nail while that portion of acrylic dries. I don't want to try doing the lower part of that nail while that acrylic is still soft. So far, I've been enjoying how things have been turning out, even with manipulating the hand, until I put this color on. I just didn't like the blend. I don't think it looked good with the blue, and I just don't think that the color looked good with the hand. It wasn't a good match. But as always, I come up with the solution. You'll see. When I got to this part, I was like, I'm actually doing it. I'm doing a color block and it's looking pretty decent. In these collabs, Verdie always requires us to include the thumb. We have to do all 5 fingers, and that's a lot of fingernail right there, y'all. I'm going in with clear to give the glitter something to adhere to. This glitter is just too cute. I have no idea why it's called hot chocolate, because it's purple and like a, I don't know, is that like a teal, iridescent teal? But nonetheless, it is so pretty. And since I'm already here with it, I'll just go ahead and place the clear top on this one. Oh, and by the way, the nails that I'm wearing are still the same nails that I did in that glow nail collab. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll have a link in my description box. They're the same nails, while I just wanted to change the design, and the nails are still going strong. I did lose the index finger, but that was to my own fault because I kept fidgeting with it and playing around with it. So one of the other observations that I made while using this hand for the first time is the dust. It is so true about this hand, and I imagine it's because it is a softer silicone. It just attracts it. You'll see how much dust and I don't have a dust collector, so there is like a lot of it while I'm filing. The good thing though is a tip that I got from Jean Loves Nails was to just simply wipe the hand with a damp towel or a wet towel, and it actually does work. After filing, you should always buff to smooth out the surface from any embedded scratches that could have been created while filing. With the filing done, you see that it did wipe clean. I'm going in with just a small amount of star glue because I plan to lay some striping tape. To me, clear nails and color blocking has been all the trend these days, and I'm so glad that I tried these things in this set because I am so happy with how it turned out. By now, I had a few thoughts that I was tossing back and forth on what to do with that index finger and didn't come to an exact decision until after I had been recording. I was so exhausted, so you'll see the finished product in the reveal shots. I really hope you enjoyed today's video, and even more, I hope you really like today's set as much as I do. Don't forget to check out the other ladies' videos. The playlist will be in the description box. That's right, Trend Nail Art, hosted by Love by Verdie Nails. Also, Addicted to Pink Nails and Ebony Nails are the participants in this collab. Listen guys, if you like this, hit the like button. Don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know what you think. And remember, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. And I'll see you in the next one.